Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to set up direct deposit in ADP for employees. So first step is log in and open My Self menu. So just sign into my.adp.com and then from there just click on Myself, then choose Pay and then tap on Direct Deposits. So just a tip, if you don't see direct deposit, your employer hasn't enabled self-service. So you have to ask for the HR to switch it on. Next up is on the direct deposit page, you have to click on the red and then the plus account button on the right side, which is in here. And then you can split pay across up to four accounts. And you can also set the percentage or fixed amounts in any combination. Next step is enter the routing and the account numbers. So just type in your 9-digit routing number, account number, and then choose checking or savings, and then pick on the full balance. Next step is upload a voided check or letter. So you have to drag a photo or a voided check or a bank confirmation letter into the upload box and then click on submit. Lastly is go ahead and confirm and watch for the next payday. So from here, you will see a green direct deposit updated confirmation. So the change applies to the next scheduled payroll. So just a tip that the first payroll after setup is sometimes a paper check while the ADP runs a pre-note test. So that's just totally normal. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.